A cat that has become a maneki-neko. Once upon a time, a cat kept at a dry goods shop under the mountains of Ueno in Edo gave birth to only one kitten. The kitten looked just like the angry face of a human. In a few days, the owner of the dry goods shop. It's so creepy. It's as if you have a grudge against people. With this, customers will be scared and won't come to the store. Hurry up and throw such a cat somewhere. And I made a young person in the store go to the temple town where there are many temples to throw it away. When the young man in the store put the kitten in his foot, he walked by the big pond and headed for Tiramichi. Meow. Maybe I was hungry on the way, the kitten started to squeak. Would you like to stop this from squeaking? The young man in the store opened his hum to scold him. Then the kitten suddenly jumped up and pressed a small mouth against its throat. The kitten was looking for boobs, but the young man at the store who misunderstood that he was biting it. Wow! What's with this guy? And I shouted and shook off the kitten. Hearing the man scream, the old man of the tea house by the pond jumped out. What is it? What the hell is going on? When the old man in the tea house heard about the kitten from a young man. How pitiful it is to be thrown away for such a thing. Well, it's true that you have a slightly different face, but if you look closely, it's cute. Okay, I'll keep it for you, so leave it. Saying that, I decided to keep the kitten at the tea house. Well, since then, the face of this kitten has changed, so more and more people have come to see it at the tea house from a distance. The kitten became a begging cat that invited customers, and made the grandfather's tea house by the pond prosperous. The end.